how to convert number to word in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Excel sheet, and as you can see, I have two columns, numbers and words, and over there I have written 20 numbers in numerical values. And now to convert them to words, what you will have to do is enter this function, that is equal to number and then number value equal to number to word, and then bracket and select this and enter, and that should convert all the numbers to word. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.